Hey guys, okay, so this is the final look after the installation. So this is the final look after the installation, and I can say that I absolutely love this wig. This wig is by far one of the most gorgeous wigs that was ever sent out to me. You guys know half of the times I don't even like wearing lace frontals, lace wigs, because it's so difficult, and half the time they're either too big or too small, or it doesn't sit properly on my hairline. But this wig, to me, I would consider it to be a beginner friendly. Yes, I wear lace wigs once in a blue moon, but majority of the time I try to stay away from that. I don't even purchase them because it's so difficult, because all that plucking, all that the measurement, it's just too much for me, and I don't have time for that. But this wig right here is absolutely gorgeous. It's soft, it's beautiful. I did add a little curls just to see if the hair can take up heat, and yes, the curls did drop. I did it early this morning, but this hair can definitely take up heat. It is so soft, like when I run my fingers through it, my fingers literally just glide through the hair. I would definitely recommend this wig to anyone, not because they reached out to me and not because they wanted me to do a review, but there's many other companies that have emailed me and wanted me to do a review, but when I tried their wigs, it was absolutely no, or just the way the whole process went, like the whole transaction. If I'm skeptical, it's a no. Once I sent out my information, they sent the item like within 2 days, 2 business days. And I was like, wow, that is so good. Like, that's absolutely great. Fast shipping. This hair, let me just give you guys further information. Everything that you need to know will be down in the description box. So if you're trying to figure out, okay, what kind of hair is that? What kind of lace frontal is that? Whatever the question may be, everything is down in my description box. So this hair is 150% density, 13x4 straight lace front wig, 20 inches. So it is about 20 inches, and it does come down to my waist, but like I said, I did add some curls to it, so it's a little bit above my waist, but it does come down my waist once it's straight. And they also wanted me to share with you all a discount code. So the discount code, I'm just going to put it up on the screen, or I'll put it down in the description box. But it's specs QM12. Let me spell it out for you, like SPEXQM, the number 12. Specs QM12. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly, but y'all get what I'm saying. Especially that the holidays are coming up and you're going to be around more family and more friends, and you just want to look somewhat presentable, somewhat decent, somewhat cute. Yes, I would definitely recommend the Qimi's wig. I'm in love with the wig. Like, I absolutely love it. It's so soft. It's so bouncy. It's not heavy. That's another thing I like about it. Like, of course, you know that you have a lace frontal because of like where you glued it down, but other than that, it feels as if there's really nothing on your head, and that's what I like. I don't want to feel like there's a hat on my head. Like, I don't want that. You know what I mean? I don't like that. But other than that, yes. So yep, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy and continue to stay strong. Keep your head up. God bless you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.